In 1921, Thomas Midgley Jr. set out to solve one of the biggest problems in the automotive industry. Engines were knocking, and nobody could fix it. He found the answer in a chemical called tetraethyl lead. It worked perfectly. Within years, leaded gasoline was everywhere.
But workers in the factories producing it started going insane. Hallucinations, seizures, death. Midgley himself got lead poisoning so bad he had to take a year off. He came back, held a press conference, washed his hands in the fuel, and breathed its vapors to prove it was safe. He knew it
Then,
was.
in the late 1920s, he did it again. Refrigerators at the time used toxic, flammable gases. Midgley developed Freon, a chlorofluorocarbon that seemed completely harmless. It spread into every refrigerator, every aerosol spray, every inhaler on the plane.
Decades after his death, scientists discovered CFCs were destroying the ozone layer. The entire world had to scramble to ban them. One historian estimated that Midgley had more impact on Earth's atmosphere than any other single human being in history. Not a world leader, not an industrialist, a chemist who just kept solving the wrong problems the right way.
In 1940, polio left him paralyzed, so he did what he always did. Engineered a solution. He built an elaborate system of ropes and pulleys to help people lift him in and out of bed. In 1944, he got tangled in his own device and was strangled to death. The man who poisoned the air and punched a hole in the sky was killed by his own invention.